What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews, and just bring you guys a quick little casual video. I just got a package in the mail from Dollar Shave Club. So I've been using them for years. I've been using their 4X razor since years back, from back when I saw their commercial on TV that I thought was hilarious. Check this out.
Hi, I'm Mike, founder of DollarShaveClub.com. What is DollarShaveClub.com? Well, for $1 a month, we send high-quality razors right to your door. Yeah, $1. Are the blades any good? No. Our blades are f***ing great.
So I've been using their 4X razor since then, and I decided to upgrade to their Executive series. Wanted to see what all the hype was about. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the razors, show you guys what all comes in the package when you do this upgrade. And then I'm going to go ahead and shave my head. As you guys can see, it's definitely time for me to get that going. So do a quick head shave, see how everything works out, and then I'll give you guys a review real quick and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright guys, as you can see, it's the kind of package they come in here. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's go ahead and get that popped open. Alright, so first things first out of the package, this nice new handle, upgraded from the 4X one. So it's pretty nice. It's actually got really good weight to it, metal finish, rubbery grip. That'll make it nice and easy. Nice and easy to hold. I actually shave in the shower, so it'll make it nice and easy for me to do that. I like the finish of it too. It has a premium feel, like what you would get from, you know, some of the big razor companies. This feels pretty nice. Let's see here. Aside from that, get cut up at the gym, not by your old razor. Now these are the cartridges from the Executive package. Let me go ahead and pop one out real quick here. Alright. You guys have a quick look here. So this is the 6-blade design. It also has one of those little embedded trimming single blades there for, you know, close lineups and stuff. I don't really use that. I just shave my head, just, you know, with this regular size. I shave my head and shave my cheeks and my neck and stuff. So you guys know I just rock a goatee, so I don't really have to do too much. I don't have to shave my mustache or anything like that. But I've been shaving my head for years, you know, and I've used all types of razors, so, you know, I really do like these. And I've been using the 4X for a few years now, and I wanted to upgrade. So I've been hearing about this one for years. You know, I heard a lot of hype, a lot of good things, so I wanted to give this a try, shave my head with it, you know, and see what the hype is all about, you know. And so yeah, and then you get 4 of these per month if you sign up for, you know, 1 month deliveries on these guys. You can stretch that out too. You can do it bi-monthly as well if you wanted to go that route. Maybe you don't shave as much, so that's also another option you might have with that. So also include these newsletters here. A DSC, your bathroom reader. So this is from March 2018. And, you know, it's got a lot of different little articles, table of contents here, you know, stuff like why you get better at things after 2 drinks, is beer before liquor never been sicker a real thing. So yeah, so it's a lot of cool little articles and stuff. Some you kind of keep by the toilet, give you something to read if you don't feel like always being on your cell phone. But yeah, so that's kind of cool. So, but yeah, before we go any further, let me go ahead and get my head shaved up, come right back to you guys, and let you know what I think. Alright guys, I'm back. Feeling so fresh and so clean right out of the shower. So as you can see, just got done using that brand new Dollar Shave Club Executive razor blade. This guy right here, 6 blades, nice weighty handle. So everything went super smoothly. I don't have any cuts, any scrapes, any nicks, none of that weird stuff. You know, the rubber grip on this thing gave me great control. Like I said before, I shave in the shower. I didn't have to worry about it slipping out of my hands or anything like that. I noticed that, you know, as I'm doing, you know, my main shaves where the thicker sections of my hair are, it went really smoothly. Like it was just cutting right through it like it was nothing. And I also noticed that I didn't have to rinse it out as often as I did with the 4X. So not to knock the 4X, but yeah, that's a nice plus on this Executive here. And yeah, I mean, everything came out really nice. You know, got this all shaved up, got up my sides all cleaned up and everything. So yeah, I really like the way it came out, man. You know, no complaints. And like I said before, I've been using Dollar Shave Club for a long time, and this by no means is this a sponsored video by them. You know, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I've been using their products for around 4 years, and I've been shaving my head for a long time, and I've used everything, you know, from Gillette, from Schick, what's that other one, the head blade. You know, I've been using a lot of different razors for years. I saw Dollar Shave Club's commercial. I thought it was freaking hilarious. They sold me just on that commercial, so I said, you know what, let me give them a try. And I've been using them ever since, you know, probably a good 4 years now, could be a little bit longer than that. And I've been super happy with them, and I just kept hearing all the hype. You know, some of my friends are also using them. They were using the executive. They're like, yeah, you got to check it out. You shave your head, you should try it. So I figured, hey, why not, right? Give it a shot. And I'm really happy with it, man. This is pretty impressive. You know, it worked really well. Everything's nice and smooth, and no cuts. That's always a big thing for me. So yeah, man, I really like it. And you know, if you're looking at one of these razor subscription services from whichever company, take a good look at Dollar Shave Club. Check out their website. I'll be leaving a link to that down below so you guys can check that out. You know, it's great. You know, they've got razors that are, you know, starting off as, I think with shipping, the $1 one's like $3 or $4 with shipping. The 4X is $6. The executive, which is this one right here, is $9 a month. They also, you can do a monthly or bi-monthly, depends on how often you shave. So you do have a lot of different options as far as that goes. They have a solid website. They do more than just razors. They have a lot of different products. You know, for they have wipes, they have shave lotion, they have skin lotion. They have a ton of different stuff that's worth checking out. So yeah, man, definitely, I highly recommend it. Whether it be the 4X or the executive, you guys should definitely check it out. And you know, just take a bit of advice from your boy El Jefe. If you're one of those guys that's like buzz cutting their hair, you're not sure if you want to shave your head, man, just go ahead, take that dive, shave your head, man. It'll free you. Trust me, you don't have to worry about stylizing your hair or doing any of that stuff, or let's say you're going bald. Man,
just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Just freaking grab the bull by the horns and just shave your head right now. Get it done. And, you know, trust me. Just trust me on this. You know, there's a lot of ladies out there who love bald men. So, hey, take that little bit of advice from El Jefe. And definitely, man, check out the Dollar Shave Club. Peace. Alright guys, so that does it for my review of the Dollar Shave Club razor. Let me know what you guys think of this. Write down in the comment section. If you guys have any suggestions on razor products or even other types of shaving products, whether it be lotions or the razor blades themselves, whatever you've tried out, let me know in the comment section, and this way maybe I can try out some different things. Something might work better for me. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button for me. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.